Well, good morning. We are, what are we, December 31st? What are we doing, buddy?
Fixing.
We're going fixing. So yesterday I got the trailer done, and I got, dog just licked my coffee cup. No wonder everybody's always sick around here. Yesterday we got the trailer. I got the trailer done. These guys were just at a birthday party, so they didn't help. And what else? I don't know what else we got done. We got some things done. I got that rusty old hopper bin moved from there back up to the lineup where it goes. Be able to put fertilizer in it later on here in the winter or into the new year. Always been loading out bags and molasses and things. But, oh yeah, and I got the shed organized. That's what I did. So, between the shed, the trailer, and that bin, all by myself, that was kind of a day. So, we are going to pull this trailer out of the shop, put that brown truck in the shop, and see if we can get that clutch out. It was absolutely unbelievable weather. Like, it's 1 degree. We do have some weather coming up in a week. About highs of -10, -11, lows of -20. So that's a little bit of a taste of winter. Also have some snow in the forecast coming up, which will be neat, I guess. But look at this, the water's already just beating off of this truck. Unbelievable. But this brown truck, this is an easy starter, this guy. Like, you know, it's been sitting here for 2-3 weeks, and yeah, it just fires up. I don't know, them Detroit engines, they got them figured out. I ran over this battery box this fall, so it's in the shop. I've been trying to pound it straight again to put it back on. It fell off when I pulled into an approach, and I drove over it. So that was fun. Oops. He's a little more choke than there, a little more throttle than that, I guess. So let that warm up a little bit. Pull that trailer out of the shed. Stick what's in the shed. And then, yeah, Buddy's gonna help me take that out. Pull the transmission back. So I do this more often than I should. Get lazy and try to either chain a trailer to a loader, or I just put the forks together and picked up on either side of that fifth wheel hitch. I've almost never successfully done it where I haven't damaged something, either the hitch or the landing gear or the loader. So today could be a first, because I've almost made it to the landing zone, and I haven't heard any snaps or bangs or cracks or anything like that. So wouldn't that be something, eh? Good way to end 2023. And bam, touchdown. Trailer's back, ready to be used for any of our trail line needs. I did actually want to get that repaired, because right in the new year here, I ordered a bunch of tin to do that old barn that's up there. So hopefully that stuff comes in and we can get that barn tinned up, extend its life a little bit. It doesn't owe anybody anything, but you know, it's kind of structurally sound, so it would be sad to see it waste away to nothing. All right, we got quite a bit of a different story under here now. She's dripping wet. I give her a good hotsy steaming, because I didn't really feel like getting all disgusting. Buddy's got his little chair over there. He's got his toolbox ready to go. Where are you at, buddy? What are you getting now? Grease rags? Yeah. Where are you at? Well, you're on the wrong side of the truck to do a clutch. Oh shoot! You gotta get. There's your little boot there, buddy. Are you gonna put coveralls on or no? You're gonna do. Are you gonna just do the management position? Where you? Yeah, probably where you don't get dirty and you just hand Dad tools and tell Dad what to do. All right, well, it's a lot cleaner in there anyways, so no time like the present. Hey, buddy, how many more days do you think we'd have to leave this before Papa would just do it on his own?
4.
4 more days? And then we wouldn't have to do it and Papa could do all the work? Do you think that's a good idea, or do you think that's not a good idea?
I think Papa should do all the work.
You don't think he should do all the work? Well, who's gonna do it?
You? Oh, shoot, I forgot my grease rig.
Well, you forgot your coveralls too. Look at you. You're dressed like a manager. You got your blue jeans and your coat on. That's it. I didn't get that spot right there. I'm not gonna touch it, eh?
What?
Well, it's dirty.
Oh my god!
I'm not supposed to get dirty, am I?
Yeah.
I missed the whole side right there too.
Oh my god.
Gross. Who washed this thing?
What?
I said, who washed this thing?
You did.
You did. All right, buddy, let's start peeling this thing apart. Ooh, dang. It is like, it's only noon, but we've switched our attack plan. Buddy's working on his slap shotting over there. And we are now attempting to go at this thing from the top. Got the gear shift out. Disconnected some lines. I should have took this out and then I should have washed it down from the top. This floor mat is gross. I'm gonna go on the internet and see if I can find another floor mat. I ordered one for our tandem. No. And then, yeah, we'll see if we can get this transmission at least away so I can get that clutch out and see just how bad it is. Thundered. The parts guy didn't know if it was one that you had to actually rebuild or it wasn't sure. Well, I was just bumping some tunes there, and then some Christmas music came on, and actually kind of made me sad because this was like the first Christmas. It didn't feel like Christmas at all. I mean, it's +5 outside right now, hardly any snow. You know, around town there was just no garland or decorations really in any of the stores that I went to. Certainly not like it was from what I remember when I was younger. Kind of sad, I guess. I don't know what the scoop is. There was a few houses around our little town that decked out pretty good with lights. We did put lights on our house out here as well, which is sort of for naught because our house can't really be seen from the highway. So no one really got to enjoy it. Although we did get some comments, people could see they were flickering through the trees. And a few folks that did pull in got to enjoy them. But yeah, just, I don't know, it was really weird up here this year. It just sort of, the calendar rolled into December, and then before you know it, it was December 20th, and before you know it, it was December 26th. Just kind of went. Anyways, I am here, and I am working. Buddy went to the house. He was timing out. But before he went to the house, he did help me get this transmission right out of here. I took the pump off just so I could get it right out because I don't know exactly how long it's going to take to get a clutch. Maybe it'll be, I don't know, a day or two. Maybe it'll be a couple weeks. I have no idea. So my plan was to get it to a state where we could just hook up to the truck and just drag it backwards. So we'll just have to tie that drive shaft up, tie that pump up, and then and we'll be able to drag it right out of there. So my dad, being the kind of guy he is, it's kind of like, oh, I don't know if we need to do that clutch or not, but it was slipping. So I was like, well, we're going to do it for sure because I don't want to have to do it in the spring. And Corey's bringing me a load of seed or something. And then she's like, oh, I'm on the highway and I got nothing. That would just be frustrating. And so I pulled it out. And there's the throwout bearing. It just came right apart in a bajillion little pieces. So that was finished. And I haven't got the bell housing off yet. That's my project for right now. So I got another question for mechanics, and I've encountered this more often than not on things like starters or transmissions or whatever. And I don't know if it's because someone's tried to fix it before or what the scoop is, but this one, oh, dark, that one, this one, that one, and one more up the side, we're all 9/16. In fact, this one's got a, what are these called? These ones where they got, oh no, that's just, okay. So they were all 9/16. The other ones are bigger, but they're not 5/8. So I'm assuming they're metric, and I'm very confused as to why there would be 4 that are 9/16. These ones even have no, they don't. Okay, so why is that? Is that standard for bell housings, or did somebody have this off before? I don't believe we ever did. I know I haven't done it, and I don't think my dad has either, so strange. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, and then the one over here, and then the rest look like they're going to be, I think, 15 or whatever metric size that is. So they were definitely 15, and boy howdy were they tight. It's actually one thing that I asked for Christmas was a bigger Milwaukee Impact. I didn't get it, so obviously I wasn't very good this year. They're also like, well, that one got that one anyways. I did bust a bunch of these loose. I must not have done this one though. 2 left. I'm gonna have to put my phone down because I'm not gonna be man enough to run the Impact, the phone, and balance that bell housing when it falls down. And my luck, falling onto this little bit of carpet that I'm laying on from 20 inches would be enough that thing would probably bust into 20 pieces. And then I'd be looking for a new one of those too. So give me a minute to get these last 2 out, and then we'll see what that clutch plate looks like. And then I'm gonna go for lunch. Well, there you have it. That's I stuck some of the bolts back in just so the cat doesn't bat them around the shop. But there we are. We got the clutch out. I don't know what, like, how thick they were when they were new, these pads or whatever. I also don't know. There seemed to be the term button clutch thrown around quite a bit when I was inquiring about this, so I don't know if this is a button clutch. I don't even know what that is. But I should have paid attention to which way that was in there. I never do that, eh? So I don't know these rings, springs, or this whole big piece. I'm sure it'll be easy enough to see on the camera though. And then, yeah, we'll see who's got one of these or what you even do about it. And we'll go from there. But for me, it's time for lunch, and I don't know, it is Sunday, so this is probably all we're gonna get done today. I'll go have lunch, then I'll come back out, clean up some of these tools, and go from there. Well, good evening. Just like that, the last video for 2023 is over. So all I got done today was that clutch out. I did load out a bag, and then played with the kidlets a little bit. So to all those who were watching this year, thank you very much for all your support. To those who have subscribed, new subscribers, old subscribers, everybody that likes and shares the videos, thank you very much. Very appreciated. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. If you're going out tonight, be safe. And we'll see you all in 2024.